In this video we are going to explore how to make a delicious and beneficial cup of improves blood circulation speed tea. It takes less than 15 minutes to prepare. To prepare this miracle tea for circulation you only need 2 ingredients. This powerful drink expands the blood vessels and improves blood circulation speed. If you drink 2 glasses of this tea for 7 consecutive days, you will see the results. You'll need 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and 3 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the cloves and rosemary and reduce the heat to simmer. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes and then turn off the heat. Strain the tea into a cup and enjoy.